IB, English B, Higher Level, How to Decode the Writing Task in Paper 1. This video will give the essential skills that are necessary to fully understand the Higher Level English B, Paper 1, the writing task, and the best way to answer it. For the Higher Level English B, Paper 1, you have 1.5 hours to complete a writing task. You'll be given 3 writing tasks and you must select one. You are instructed to write between 450 and 600 words. On the next slide is a Higher Level Paper 1 writing task. Paper 1 writing task. Mobile addiction amongst teenagers is a growing concern that is being largely ignored, and you want to inform other students about this problem. Write a text in which you explain the trend, what possible measures can be taken to make students aware of the signs, and why it is important to take immediate action. You have 3 text type options: email, speech, and diary. Write between 450 and 600 words. You need to decode the task in order to fully understand what you must do. Your first task is the first sentence. Mobile addiction amongst teenagers is a growing concern that is being largely ignored, and you want to inform other students about this problem. This, in essence, is what you will be answering. You have to write a text and are given 3 text options. You have to select the most appropriate text option. For this task, the most appropriate text option is a speech because you want to inform other students. The diary is the least appropriate option because this text type is personal. An email can be partly appropriate, but the response has to be addressed to other students. Your task will involve 3 parts. Each part must be addressed in your response. The first part is you explain the trend. The second part is what possible measures can be taken to make students aware of the signs. And thirdly, you have to write why it is important to take immediate action. As mentioned, you have 1.5 hours to answer this question. Spend about 10 minutes planning your answer. All the top IB English B answers for Paper 1 demonstrate planning. It is easy and straightforward. This is simply what you have to do. Hello students, I would like to talk about an issue of mobile phone addiction. In the first paragraph, you explain the trend of mobile phone addiction. In the second paragraph, what possible measures can be taken to make sure students are aware of the signs of mobile addiction. Your third paragraph is why it is important to take immediate action regarding mobile addiction. And you conclude, finally, I would like to take this time to thank you for listening to my ideas. You must begin and end any text with the correct register. As this text type is a speech, it must be addressed to a group of people and concluded appropriately. So we have the beginning here and the end. Also, it is very important to know that the 3 tasks do not have to be equal in length. However, all should be given some detailed attention. Please just do not answer one task in just one sentence. Write at least a few sentences. Good luck, and don't forget to please plan your response.